Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching that earwax removal video today. We got one patient in this video that's coming with wax in both sides. So you can see we've got this initial front section is very wet. So this patient has been using some drops, some over-the-counter drops to try and soften this up a little bit. And we're using the standard size on the tube here. First of all, just clearing away some of the softer initial bits of wax here, just sucking those into the machine before we move on to the harder pieces a bit further in then. So you can see it's all coming away really nicely at the moment. I'm just concentrating on the bottom section here, because when you get this soft wax, what you want to do is try and get rid of as much of that as you can, which will then give you a good indication of where the harder wax then starts, so we can get a good grip on. So we're concentrating the suction mainly at the bottom section here. Gravity naturally pulls wax down to the lowest point, so it's always going to stick at the lowest point of the canal. There we go, you can see it. We're just very slowly chipping this away. Now obviously with the suction tube here, that's attached to a little pump, and it has a little collection pot as well. So all this softer debris you see here will end up in the little collection pot. There we are, we're just starting to see some movement now, so we're getting to the harder pieces of wax. You can see where we kind of undercut all that softer wax there and got to the harder bit behind now. So that's just starting to move. I hope you're all doing well, guys. I know it's a tough time for everybody out there at the moment, everywhere, UK and everywhere else as well. It's not on the easiest of times. Please stay at home, please keep yourselves safe, okay, and look after both yourselves and one another, guys, if you possibly can, okay. What we can see now, we've got a good grip on this larger piece of wax that was sitting at the back, the slightly harder piece. So we're just trying to get a really good grip to pull this out, and trying to find, as you can see, as we're trying to pull it, it's actually breaking little bits away, which are getting sucked into the suction tube. So difficult to get a really good grip on this top section. I'm trying to find a piece that's hard enough that stays together when we get a hold on it, and there we go. So we'll take that piece, there we are. You can see it's quite a large chunk. Now obviously when we take this wax away, you can see the difference in the wax. The wax at the entrance to the canal, the part of the canal where the drops would have touched, very, very soft, almost liquid in places. But those deeper sections of wax where the drops wouldn't have got down to, it still stayed quite hard. Textbook eardrum, absolutely perfect there. Lovely light reflex, hammer bone looking good. So the keen eyed amongst you will see that there is a gap above this wax, so they see a canal is not completely full at the moment, but patient wanted it cleared out. So you can see we've just got this very, very soft section, drops being used here as well. Look at the difference in the consistency you see where the drops have touched it. So looking at this, I would say that this is probably more of a sort of a bicarb or peroxide use rather than olive oil. With olive oil, you tend to find that the wax itself stays quite intact but softens around the edges. It doesn't tend to go this more liquid type of wax that you see here. So we've managed to get a good grip on that section, and we're just pulling this away. It's brought that deeper section with it. There we are. So that's the piece from this left ear. And we'll take a good look at the eardrum then. Let's take a look. And you can see there's no light reflex there. There are a couple of little outlines of air bubbles on the eardrum as well. So a little bit of middle ear fluid going on here, which is, explains the absence of the light reflex. So we're just over ½ an inch there, 1.5 centimeters as well. Take care, everybody, and I shall see you on Wednesday. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. And as always, guys, until the next time, take care.